Hi Sagittarius, welcome to the Spiritual Enlightened Weekly Tarot reading from 11th to 17th of July. This is a general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. It may or may not resonate to every one of you. Take the whatever it resonates and leave the rest behind. If it resonates, please subscribe this channel. For the current situation, you have Star. What are the challenges? You have High Priestess. What to focus on? You have Page of Swords. What's in your past? You have Five of Wands. For your strength, you have Chariot. For the near future, you have Empress. For advice, you have Knight of Wands. What you need to know is Ten of Wands. What are the hopes and fears? Nine of Wands. What is your outcome? Is King of Pentacles. And the bottom of the deck is Knight of Cups. For the current situation, you have the Star. You renewed hope and faith and a sense that you are truly blessed by the universe. You are entering a peaceful, loving phase in your life, filled with calm energy. Your soul is being uplifted to the highest as you realize that your dreams really can come true. Be open to new ideas and growth and listen to the voice within. For the challenge, you have the High Priestess. Spiritual enlightenment, inner illumination, divine knowledge and wisdom. Your intuitive sense right now is providing you with the useful information to your subconscious mind. How to fix these issues will not come through thinking and rationalizing that situation. Look for the areas in your life that may be out of the balance or looking flow and ease. For Son, you have Page of Swords, exploring a different way of yourself with others and communication with the skill to your ideas and opinions. There are always be challenges with whatever. For the past, you are Five of Wands, you are still thinking over something bad that has happened in the past. This could end in an argument or a falling out with somebody in the past, which is still relevant today. Maybe it's something you need to fix with that person or a group. It started to dampen your spirits. Spend some time alone and you will realize you will just exaggerating it. Your strength is Chariot. The Chariot is a card of willpower, determination and strength. Your willpower and home in on its way the essential to you, so you can push past the obstacles in your way. Behold in expressing your desires and laying down your boundaries. Otherwise you will not get your way. For the future, you have Empress. It signifies abundance. Take a moment to reflect on the bounty that surrounds you and offer gratitude for all you have created so you can continue to build on this energy. Create even more abundance in your life. It also suggests maybe pregnancy or birth your creativity, ideas into being by nurturing them and supporting their growth. For the advice, you have Knight of Wands. Be mindful that the Knight of Wands can express himself as an act first, think later type of person. You have to think first and act later. But this card shows the opposite of it. If you pursuit of actions, you may be impulsive and impatient, expecting everything to be done yesterday, right? What you need to know, you have 10 of Wands. You have been pushing yourself to your limits and working very hard to achieve your goals towards your op- to achieve your goals. Now you are taking those final steps on the path to realizing your dreams. Sure, you might collapse in a heap of exhaustion. When you get there, you know it will be all the worth it and well earned. For the hopes and fears, you have 9 of Wands. It encourages you to keep pushing yourself. You are so close to the finish line. If you want to give up, this is your final challenge before your hopes and dreams. When you are so close to making them a reality, stand firm in the face of your challenges and you will achieve your goals. For the outcome, you have King of Pentacles. You can enjoy all you have accomplished and the success you have created. You have created a rich life, not just financially but also spirituality, which will set you up well for the future. You need to keep an open mind that certain aspects of our life may confuse us, but looking at the evidence, we know the right path to take, right? That's all for today. If it resonates, please subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share with people. Bye.